From the leaders in fabric banner stands come some new shapes to stand out from the crowd. Introducing Allé Banner Stand. Allé banner stands are made in the USA from aluminum tubing and feature tool-free swage and spring button assembly, as well as numerically coated tubing components. They have steel bases with a support bushing, no cheap wood to crumble and degrade, along with riveted bumpers. The stand is 80 inches high and approximately 33 inches wide at the top. Available in 3 different styles: curved top, flat top, angle top. Beautiful fabric graphics are dye sublimated and wow with their bright colors. Single or double-sided and printed on wrinkle-free stretch fabric. Graphics include cutouts for easy carrying and reduced weight. To assemble, place the narrow part of the base within the wide part of the graphic and then rotate. Spread open the top of the graphic so that the stem of the base is visible. Connect the numerical tube sections and place the shaped tube as topper. Customized versions available and quoted upon request. These stands are portable and provide a big impact with a small footprint. Do you like the pillowcase fabric look but want a more rectangular shape? Check out our Harmony Banner Stand, available in various sizes with a curved or square top. Need something even larger? Our straight flat wall is available standard up to 20 feet wide and even larger upon request. Allé Banner Stand is ready to help your message stand out. The Allé Banner Stand. US made, big impact, portable. Reach out today for pricing.